I don't want to smell like Fruit Loops and Apple Jacks, you know. Hey friend, welcome back to my channel, Cat Eye Glamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. Duh. If you are new to this channel, my name is Marilyn and this is our channel, Cat Eye Glamour, and I'm bringing you videos mainly fashion and beauty based, although I've been getting quite a bit of requests to do home decor videos, so we may add that to the menu. I might add that to the menu. So if you like what you see, or you just think I'm cute and I'm a vibe girl, you better go ahead and subscribe. I mean, and it rhymes, so just do it. Girl, time is really flying because we're already in May, so that means I have to do my April favorites, and I'm even a little late on doing that. So I'm going to bring you all the beauty and fragrance items that I've been loving in the month of April. So if you're interested in that, just keep watching, of course. First things first, okay, let's go ahead and start with nails. Right now I have on a new set of Kiss press on nails, and of course these are going to be in my April favorites because I have been into press on nails. This quarantine life has started a new obsession for me, and those are these nails. All right, these are, let me show you. These are the Kiss Gel Fantasy. This is a different color. This is a nude color, but it's the same style. And these are the best. I keep them on for about 2 weeks at a time. So I just removed my last set and I had that on for 2 weeks. And during that 2-week time, I replaced, I think 2 or 3 nails, which for me is pretty good. If this lasts a week, it's good because this costs less than $10. I think it's about $7.99 for this pair that I paid. Yeah, I think it's about $7.99. I got it on sale at Ulta, and they have been so convenient and they look so good. Like I mean, I do take my time and shape them so they can be as realistic as possible, but you can't tell me this doesn't look like a set. You can't tell me that. And I've been loving these, so this is going to be on every month favorites because I'm not going to the nail shop anymore. I mean, why would I do that? All right, guys, so the next item that I have are my favorite type of products, which are complexion products. I have a foundation and a concealer by NYX. This is from their Born to Glow collection, which is a pretty old collection. It's probably about 6 months old, but it's new for me. I purchased this on Ulta.com during their spring haul sale. I brought this for $10 and got this 50% off, so this was about $5. This was a steal. This is honestly a steal. This is such a great foundation. It's very lightweight. It's more on the everyday side, like if you were going to work still, this is what you're wearing to work every day, this type of foundation. I am in the color Mocha in the foundation, and in the concealer I am Warm Caramel. I actually have that on right now so you guys can see the finish of it. It's a beautiful finish. I do not look ashy. It does not look cakey. It's very radiant and glowy like it says it is. And I have oily skin, so I of course have to set it with, you know, the proper powders so that way it looks great to me or to my liking. But this is a great foundation. If you like the way I look, you better get you some. Just for reference, I'm Mocha in this foundation, but in other foundations like MAC, I am NW47. In Too Faced Born This Way, I am Hazelnut. In the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, I'm the color Cocoa. In, what's another foundation I use? I use Smashbox Studio Skin, and I am the color 4.3. So just so you have a little bit of reference when you're looking for the foundation shade. So love this. Definitely an April favorite, of course. So another product I've been loving this past month, I actually use this pretty often. This is the Pearlessence Vitamin C Oil. So whenever I wash and cleanse my face, I moisturize, and I put a little drop of this oil as well into my moisturizer. I love this. It's really good for brightening. Vitamin C is great for brightening when it comes to the skin. I've actually used this as cuticle oil too because I don't really have any cuticle oil. So whenever I do my nails, this is the oil that I use to kind of just, you know, drop around the cuticles because it has this cute little topper here. So it just do, you know, little drops. So I do it. Makes me feel nice and bougie, so I do it. I have now a MAC Prep and Prime, the Fix Plus, but this is in the Gold Fix. You can see that here. Let me just shake it up so you guys can see. So this is a really great, I use this to prep the skin if I want a glowy, super glowy. If I want to like step that glow up, I do this first before I do my makeup, and I do it after I do my makeup. You shake it, you'll see here that it has all this little glowing, look at that glowy effect. You can spray this on your skin, your body. It's summer now, so everyone wants that glowy finish. I think this is a really great way to get that glow without all that mess. You know, like we have all these like body lavas and things now, the cream. This isn't as messy because once it dries, it's clear. It's not going to be, you know, coming off on your clothes and all messy and goopy. You know what I'm saying? You can glow, spray a little bit across your chest, your face, your legs. I love this. I use this when I do weddings as well. Like I'll spray it on the bride's shoulders. It's super easy and it's not messy. So this is the MAC Fix Plus and it's in the color Gold Light. So cute, so pretty. I love this. You can use this before and after your makeup. Get you some. Okay guys, so the next item that I have is an eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. It is a nude eyeshadow palette. It's by Becca Cosmetics. It's their ombre rouge eye palette, and this is the package here. So cute, and these are the colors. This is a great everyday sort of palette. This is something you can wear to work. You can wear wherever. It has great brownie nude colors, and I actually have it on my eyelids now. I used this palette in my last makeup tutorial, which was the Kim Kardashian inspired look. So if you haven't watched that, I'll link it below so you guys can check it out. But this is what I used to achieve that eye look, and I absolutely love this palette. I feel like everyone should have, you know, a nice, simple nude everyday sort of palette. Nudes are it, okay? Everyone wants that natural, kind of effortless, everyday, flawless, barely there type of makeup, and this will achieve that. This and that foundation that I just showed you and the concealer, and this, you're set. You're set. Again, this is by Becca Cosmetics, and it's so beautiful, and it has this great mirror here. Love it. So mine's a little dirty because of course I use it, so love it. Get you some. So now I have this gorgeous blush. It's so gorgeous. If you've been watching any of my other videos that have anything to do with makeup, I've been picking this up. And this is the Juvias Place Bella blush. Look at this color. This is such a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous color. I purchased this during Ulta's spring haul sale. Same time I purchased that foundation, and I love this color. I have it on now. I have it on pretty lightly. I don't really go too heavy with the blush, so it makes me look really youthful, glowy, happy. I just love blush. Don't be afraid of blush, okay? Blush can certainly elevate a look, and I am so happy I purchased this. It was $8, so this was during the spring haul sale, but it wasn't actually on sale. So $8 is their normal price for this blush here. So this is really great, and it would look great on everyone. Light, medium, dark, deep, everyone, it will show up. The color payoff is awesome on this. All of Juvia's Place's products, the color payoff is really good. So you just have to make sure you take your time and use a brush that isn't too dense or it doesn't have too many hairs. If you want a light finish, if you want it to be heavy, of course, you go for the brush that has more hairs. And you go ahead and pack that on, girl. But I did a light, simple, you know, like a little choo, choo, and I'm done. That's it. I'm out. But this, again, is so beautiful, and I love this. Another April favorite. Okay, and another April favorite that we have are now, we're moving on to the lips, and it's this lip combo. I have it on now. It is NYX's Club Hopper lip liner. This is the color, so you can kind of see it. It's like a brownie, purpley type of undertone. And also this liquid lipstick by Rimmel London. It's their Stay Matte lip color, and this is in the color Scandalous. It's a brownie color. So beautiful. This is a perfect nude, a perfect brown nude for my skin tone, and I have been loving this combo. In my last couple of videos, this is what I've had on. This is what I have on right now. Love it. What else can I say? Both drugstore products, both very affordable. Both are in Walgreens. If your Walgreens sells NYX, then it would be there, but all Walgreens have Rimmel London. So get you some. Get you another lip product. This one is actually by Morphe. It's very similar to the Scandalous. This is called Peanut, and it's by Morphe. It's a liquid lipstick. This is the color here, so you can see it. It's like a reddish sort of brown. bought this a while back, but this is a really great color. Super pretty, and it dries down very matte. So this is another favorite that I've been loving. I've been loving matte nudie browns for some reason this past month. So another April favorite. I got this in Ulta. You can purchase it there, or you can go to Morphe's website, Morphe.com I think it's called, or MorpheBrushes.com. I'll link it below. I'll try to link it. Next item is this Hello Halo highlighter by Wetnwild. I have it on now. As you can see, this is absolutely gorgeous. Also purchased this at Ulta. The color is called Flash Me. It has two colors in there. It's sort of like a champagne-y, rose goldy type of color, and then there's this color. Both of these, this is supposed to be a blush. It's called Blush Lighter, a blush and a highlighter, but both of these on my complexion would absolutely be a highlight. I'm gonna swatch it for you so you can see. But it's so gorgeous. So you can see it here. Super pretty. Have that on now, and I absolutely love it. I love all Wet n Wild's like highlights. They're so smooth and they're not chunky, and they go on just like a glow. You know what I mean? I don't look glittery. It's just a nice glow. Just try to lean in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Like, that is really pretty. Wet n Wild really does a great job when it comes to highlights. At least the type of highlight that I like. I like it to be like a sheen. Not too chunky, not too glittery. So this definitely does that. So if you like the way this looks, girl, you better get you some. And you know, Wet n Wild is in Walgreens. So that's like, you can go and get some toilet paper and get a highlight. All right, now the last item is a fragrance that may show my age a little bit. This perfume reminds me of high school. I had it in high school. I purchased it again in Marshall's a while back, a couple years ago. Me and one of my good friends, Candace, actually purchased it too. It just reminds me of school. I love it so much. And since we haven't really been going out, I haven't been grabbing any of the, you know, more expensive or more upscale type perfumes. I've been going for my Ellis. I think this is the original one. I can't, the top is gone, but it's called, I think it's called just Ellis. I don't know what the actual name is. I don't know, Ellis, and it's the original bottle. In high school, everyone had this, I feel like, in high school. I graduated in 2002, showing my age, but I'm still cute, so it don't even matter. But anyway, I love this so much. Oh my God, it's crazy how a scent brings back so many memories, but this makes me think of high school. It makes me think of waiting for the bell to ring, being late to class. Like, I just love this. And when I saw it in Marshall's, I was like, I am buying this. I absolutely love it and still love this scent. This is literally the only scent from high school that I still love. Because in high school, everyone wore body splashes and body sprays, and I don't really wear that now because I just feel like I like to smell like an adult. I don't want to smell like Fruit Loops and Apple Jacks, you know? I don't have any more products, y'all. Nothing to show you. I feel like this was like a short list of favorites. I didn't have any new skincare. I haven't purchased anything like that. So normally I have skincare and beauty products and fragrance, but I really don't have any skincare to show you guys. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully there's something that you want to try. I hope you love these type of videos. I love to come and do the favorites. I like to watch favorites because if there's products that you want to get into or you are interested about, it's great to get a small little snippet or a small little review of that product. So I love bringing these videos to you. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, because when you don't, it kind of pisses me off. And I don't really like to be pissed off. It's the weekend. It's almost Mother's Day. I'm a mom. Why should I be pissed off? Like, girl, click the button. Boop. Like, boop. Boop, boop. Tell your friends to click the button. Don't forget to like the video and comment. If you have any questions, leave them below. Any requests, anything, leave them below. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I appreciate all my new subscribers, which everyone is pretty much new because this is a very new channel. So hopefully you guys can grow with me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.